This one's for you. If you want to earn a ton of money solely from your phone, I'll walk you through each stage of the process so you can see how you can use your mobile phone to make a ton of cash. You can download this wacky mobile software for free on both Android and iOS, and it instantly gives you money. If you are someone who frequently, possibly even excessively uses their phone to browse social media, this tactic can help you make a lot of money for your free time. Stay till the very end to ensure you don't miss anything crucial.
Hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. You may start making things happen by setting up a notification bell so that you are informed anytime we release a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, comments, or other feedback regarding the video, don't be afraid to post them below.
Returning to the video, the software that enables you to earn money is called FeaturePoints. Since 2012, Tap Gen Core has owned and run FeaturePoints, a mobile application that offers prizes to users who download and complete a paid online survey. You will be compensated with points from this rewarding app, which you can exchange for PayPal cash or Visa gift cards. It enables you to earn more money while working from home and doesn't require any specialized knowledge to get started. The fact that FeaturePoints is free to join and can be a basic way to generate money online is what I enjoy about it. Numerous payment options such as PayPal and Amazon gift cards are offered, and there are a ton of deals. As I mentioned, anyone can download the software FeaturePoints because it is available for both Android and iOS smartphones. How do you receive payment in FeaturePoints now? They offer a range of surveys, and you may choose from them and complete the tasks mentioned on the offer wall that they provide. Go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, type FeaturePoints into the search bar, and when the FeaturePoints app pops up, make sure to click Install to download it to your smartphone. This will allow you to join and begin earning money with it. Visit the app as soon as the installation is complete. You will have the choice to log in or sign up there. You can select to sign up and submit your information if you don't already have an account. Your last name, first name, and password for your FeaturePoints account are required to join along with an active email address. You can join by using your Apple, Facebook, or Google account if that's what you want to do rather than making an account from the start. You may earn money using FeaturePoints in a variety of ways, including by completing surveys and downloading apps. Taking paid surveys is one of the best ways to gain FeaturePoints. If you decide to sign up, you should keep in mind that this website offers numerous surveys. After completing the registration process, you can earn 50 points by submitting a referral code. Following that, FeaturePoints will prompt you to select your first reward, which you can change at any time. After that, you can begin doing a range of tasks, including the installation of apps, watching videos, and finishing surveys. To access surveys, you must first complete the About You form, which only has 4 questions and just requires your date of birth, gender, country, and postcode. After finishing the challenge, you will be awarded 10 points. FeaturePoints has teamed with the market research companies Paulfish, Precision Sample, LAC, Say So Rewards, and Tap Research. You can gain access to more survey questions and invitations by unlocking the Tap Research and Paulfish panels after answering your first self-reflective profile question. One of the best ways to get FeaturePoints is to take paid surveys. But you should keep in mind that Tap Research surveys can be brief, about 1 to 12 minutes, and only pays less than 300 points. Simply respond to the survey's questions and your FeaturePoints account will be credited with a prize. You'll also have access to a different amount of surveys based on where you reside. In some places, there will be a lot of surveys available, while in others, there won't be as many. The paid survey options on FeaturePoints, however, are frequently excellent and well using to boost your income. Downloading apps is another quick and simple way to earn money on FeaturePoints. You can examine the applications you can download and utilize to make money once you've logged into FeaturePoints. You need to do more than merely install the app in order to receive points in this section. Some applications urge you to utilize them for a brief amount of time, while others demand that you follow certain instructions. To get paid, you might need to use an app for a period or reach a certain level, depending on the app. By installing software and adhering to their installation instructions, you can earn money with this approach. These missions might involve, among other things, defeating the game's hardest boss at level 10. Naturally, the only devices that let you earn by downloading apps are your phone or tablet, therefore you can only earn by doing this from those devices. However, sometimes all that is necessary is to download the application and operate it for a certain period of time. You can see exactly what you need to do to earn your reward for installing the app in the conditions. You might need to finish a level in the game you downloaded in order to claim your prize. It makes sense that the harder it is to obtain a prize, the higher the prize usually is. Nevertheless, if you enjoy playing mobile games, this might be a great method to find new games and earn money while doing so. You can also get cash back using FeaturePoints when you buy goods and services from one of their linked stores. This feature is supported by a number of companies including Adidas, Microsoft, Alibaba, Walmart, and others. You can get between 0.5 and 25% cashback, depending on the retailer and the things you purchase. Simply click the Shop Now link underneath FeaturePoints to buy the item from the merchant's website and get the extra cashback. You can exchange your points for a variety of goodies once you've accumulated enough points on the FeaturePoints platform. There are items available for everyone, which is wonderful news. Your points can be redeemed for a variety of rewards, including cash via PayPal, Amazon, Starbucks, iTunes, and more gift cards. Just be sure to go to the FeaturePoints app to start fast and conveniently earning money. That's all then. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comment section below. We appreciate you watching The Money Hustle. Until the next video, take care.